Hey guys, thanks for coming back to us at our DIY channel. Show you guys how to do some car stuff, some car shows. This is a 2013-14 Tacoma. Let's show you guys how to remove and replace this tail light. The LED's burnt out on it, so we're going to swap it out. You need number 10. You got 10 bolts up here. So go ahead and 110. 210. I wonder why they're two different type of 10s. Oh, I know why two different type of 10s. I took out the wrong 10. Take out 10s without the washers in it. I took out the wrong 10. 10 with the washer, don't take out. It's the one without the washer. And you stick your hand down here and just kind of just pop it. Voila. And push the plug in here. That guy a little hard. Let me look at the new used taillight. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I got the new used taillight we got from AH Parts down here in Rancho Cordova. Luckily it's used, so everything's complete, and hopefully everything works. They say they guarantee you for a year, so as long as it works, it works. So I'm going to plug it back in. Boom. And then go ahead and make sure that these two nipples here, this one and that one, go into these holes, or else you're going to have a hard time fighting it. Like that. Make sure you start these bolts with your hand. If you push it, you can see the spots for them. Okay, got them in there. Crap. Here you guys go. Can you guys watch it? Let me know if it works or not. Does it work? Corey said yeah, so there you go. Let's replace, remove and reinstall taillight on one of these Tacomas. Most of the trucks are the same, so we're gonna go and take the front end of this car apart somehow today, kinda, depending on light. So we'll let you know. Subscribe to our channel, guys, and let us know what else you guys like to see. We'll try to, find the car, buy the car, and put one together for you guys. All right, take care.